If your legs feel weaker after 50, or your balance doesn't feel as steady as it used to, these seated glute exercises can help rebuild strength safely and gently. Do them daily, and your body will start to feel stronger, steadier, and more supported again. And don't skip the third exercise. That's where many women finally start rebuilding real lower body stability. Number 1, seated marching lifts. If walking feels less stable than before, this is usually why. Most women over 50 lose coordination between their hips, core, and legs, and that affects balance during everyday movement. This exercise helps rebuild that connection. Sit tall on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Now slowly lift one knee up toward your chest. Pause for a second at the top, then lower it back down with control. Switch sides and repeat. Keep your core gently engaged the entire time. Don't lean back or rush the movement. Move slowly and stay controlled. Aim for 10 to 12 reps per side. This improves coordination and lower body control. Number 2, seated leg extensions. If your glutes still don't feel strong, this is the most important one. Many women over 50 can move their legs, but still don't activate the glutes properly. And without that activation, stability never fully returns. This movement changes that. Sit tall on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Now slowly extend one leg straight out in front of you. As you lift the leg, gently squeeze your glute on the same side. Hold for a second at the top, then slowly bring it back down. Switch sides and repeat. Keep your upper body stable. Don't lean backward. And don't swing your leg. Control every movement. Aim for 10 to 12 reps per side. This is where real glute strength and control come back. Number 3, chair squats. If getting up from a chair feels harder than it used to, this is where you start. Most women over 50 lose strength in this exact movement first. And that affects everything: walking, balance, and independence. This exercise rebuilds that real-life strength safely. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Bring your feet slightly back so your knees are over your ankles. Now lean your chest slightly forward and press through your heels to stand up slowly. Pause for a second at the top, then slowly lower yourself back down to the chair. Don't drop down quickly. Control the descent. If needed, use your hands for support at first, then slowly reduce assistance over time. Move with control in both directions. Aim for 8 to 10 reps. This is the foundation of lower body strength and balance. That's what keeps your body stable, supported, and confident in movement. So here's your seated routine builder. Start with chair squats for 8 to 10 reps. Then move into seated marching lifts for 10 to 12 reps per side. And finish with seated leg extensions for 10 to 12 reps per side. If getting up from a chair feels difficult, focus more on chair squats. If your balance feels weak, slow down the marching lifts and stay controlled. Do this every day, stay consistent, and your glutes will start to feel stronger, more active, and more supportive again. If you want to improve walking stability after 50, watch this next video. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.